shelter. Our next guest is probably the opposite of Olive. He is a much bigger guy and he has much more energy even as an adult. This is Hayden, and he is a 2 to 3 year old pit bull mix. And he wants to get into everything. Everything is a new thing for him to explore. Every time he walks by a door, a bucket, he wants to see what's in there. Wants to see what toys we've got here. He's not sure exactly what he wants to do. He wants to jump on Randy's lap. Doesn't understand that maybe he's a little too big to be a lap dog. Wants to get under the chair. He wants to explore everything. So if you're looking for a highly inquisitive dog that also has a very sweet side, then maybe you stop in and check out Hayden. He does have a lot of energy, so that's something that you need to be thinking about. He's going to need to get out and have a lot of time to exercise, to burn off all of that energy. So whether you have a yard that he can run in, or you have a plan to take him out and walk him daily, take him to dog parks and those types of things so that he can get that exercise, that's really important to have some sort of plan for that. It's also important if you're going to be gone for any length of time and have any type of dog crated during the day for an extended period of time, that you have something in there that's going to help keep them mentally stimulated, whether it's Kongs with treats or just some other toys that are going to give them an opportunity to keep their mind busy, because otherwise they're going to try to get out of their crate. They could make a mess, any of those types of things. We have Hayden here listed as older children and adult home only. As you can see, he's very strong. He's kind of got a mind of his own. He wants to do what he wants to do. So we want to make sure that he's not going to be accidentally knocking kids over, pulling hard on the leash and hurting them in that manner, jumping up on their lap, possibly hurting them, rolling around like this is really cute. But if you have a small child in the house, it could possibly, he could actually, in an attempt to be affectionate, could accidentally hurt them. So that's something that we want to take into consideration. Hayden definitely has a lot of potential, and if you want to help him reach that potential and become his best self, you can find out how to adopt him by visiting Frederick County Animal Control and Pet Adoption Center.